Hi, I'm Eric Amati. So you saw our post and now you're watching this video. There was something in what you saw that spoke to you and made you think maybe you want to work with us. So this is a purely an independent contractor position for independent individual life insurance agents. We run an IMO with all the top carriers, Hancock, Transamerica, Mutual of Omaha. We pay insanely high comp, let you keep your renewals, don't have any fees, have phenomenal training and no contract. It's a great platform to build a business, have a residual income and all of that. But it's also important to know what we're looking for. We're looking for people that truly want to work. This is not a business opportunity. It's not an opportunity for network marketing or multi-level kind of stuff. It's not one of those. We're a company that's going to do over $1 billion of paid sales this year in life insurance and annuities. So we're looking for the right people, people that families will like and trust, people that will go out there and make sales, people that truly believe in putting families first. So we put the agent first. We need you to put the client first. If you're not looking to work, please don't respond. If you're thinking, I don't know if I want to work with people or want to help them, don't respond. If you're saying, I was looking for more of an activity and I'm really not looking to make any money, don't respond. I'm not interested in money. It doesn't matter to me. Don't respond. It's really important if you're trying to get people to understand what you do, you have to tell them what you're not. So a big part of what it is what it's not. If you know what we're not, you know what we're not looking for. But on the other hand, if you are a team player, if you do enjoy helping people, if you are looking to work, if you do need to make money, like on a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you need to make money? A 10. Okay, got it. What kind of effort are you willing to put in? And if you're open-minded to being taught, we have real salespeople teaching you how to do this, whether you've had an insurance license for one day, you don't have one, or you've had one for 25 years. We're doing this at a rate that no one else is doing it, so we know how to do it well. So if the things I talk to you about are what you're looking for and describe you, contact us. And if not, either way, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great day and appreciate your time.